Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make my version of red bean stew with chicken. If you're new, thank you so much. Please hit the subscribe button down below, like, comment, and share this video. If you're already here, thank you so much. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get started. So these are my ingredients and they will be listed in the description box. I would have already washed and boiled my red beans. So I'll be seasoning my chicken, which I've already washed and diced. Some seasoning with some green seasoning. I have some Old Bay, some chicken bouillon, onion powder, black pepper, some smoked paprika, salt, ginger, some garlic, some habanero peppers, and this is optional guys. If you do not like the heat, you can omit the peppers. And I'm also adding some sweet soy sauce and some light soy sauce. And we'll mix the chicken well. Make sure your chicken is nice and seasoned, and you can do this ahead of time also. To my pan, I'll be adding some oil, my ginger, garlic, and onions, and some habanero peppers. That is because that is my preference. As I mentioned, you can omit that. Now I'll be going in with my seasoned chicken. Looks amazing. Guys, make sure you season your chicken well. Give that a good stir. Make sure everything is nice and combined and let that cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now you add the rest of your onions, some carrots, some bell peppers, and I'm using green bell pepper, some black pepper, and give that a good stir. Coat everything well. So I would have already washed and boiled my beans, and I strained that out so I can fry the beans up with the chicken and the vegetables. But do not throw away the water from the beans, guys. We'll need that for the stew. So make sure to fry your beans up nice, give that a good stir, make sure everything is nice and incorporated here. Looking good, smells amazing. The taste is even better. I'll also go in with 1 more tablespoon of chicken bouillon and some fresh cilantro. There's our beans water. I add 1.5 cups, and now I'm also adding 1 cup of coconut milk. Guys, if you do not have this, you can use half and half or half cup of cream, heavy cream that is. Let that cook and simmer for about an extra 30 to 35 minutes. Taste, guys. Make sure this is to your taste and likeness. Oh my gosh, guys. Ooh, the smell is amazing. Yep, this is one amazing bean stew, guys. And there you have it, my delicious bean stew. Yep, you can do this with black-eyed beans also, or any beans of your choice. Alright, thank you so much for watching and for your support. Please like, comment, and share this video. If you're already here, thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Bye bye.